Let me show you how you're going to withdraw your earnings on the Mimoon app. So on the Mimoon app is a new live streaming app where you can go live, do task and earn money. So the first thing you want to do is to download the app and sign up using my code and also follow me on the app. So you can see on the screen you have task, invites, activities, spin, games. You can dress up your avatars depending on what you want to do. There are different things that you can do, right? So I'll show you how you can recharge, and I'll show you how you can withdraw money on the app. So first of all, you have this task, right? You have this task. I'm going to just show you the different tasks that you can carry out on the app. You can watch my other playlist on how the app works. So you have exclusive tasks. So you have lucky ranking today, the final top 1 to 10 game ranking. So you can go live party. They have different earning guides. Invite your friends, community. Let's look at how to make money quickly on Mimoon, what an excellent host needs to know, how to easily earn your first $10 in the first week, inviting your friends, community. So I just want to quickly say that if you are interested, if you want to be a leader on the Mimoon app, you can earn up to $1 to $2 by inviting people to join the app. So if this is something you're interested in, this is also a great way you can make money. So these are tasks that you can do if you have join a party. You can join live or party mic for today 30 minutes. You get 20 rewards, 35 you can play lucky gifts, you get 35 rewards. You can join live or party mic for today 90 minutes. You see, if you invite one friend, you can get up to 1,990 beans. So these beans is going to be converted to real cash. Then you can also engage with the community. You post moments and get features. You get rewarded. If you bind your email account to your account, you also get rewarded. So if you go live, for different duration, you can get rewarded. So let's quickly look at the daily rewards: 200 to 24,000 beans. Level 1, if you go live for 60 minutes, 200 beans. If you go random PK to win 2 times, 500. So there are different tasks that you can do. If you go live for 120 minutes, if you go live for 1000, so they are just different what's it called now, levels of tasks that you can do to start earning on this platform. Then you also have games. You can play games. When you play games, you earn coins. Okay, so lucky number game, asphalt. So most times to play these games you may have to buy coins. So let's go back. So if you want to recharge, all you need to do is to come to this place. You recharge. So they have 3 different ways that you can buy coins on the Mimoon app. So you can buy on Google. So you can buy 720 naira. You can buy 1,540 naira. That's 7,000 beans. So this ones will help you to play games on the app, or if you want to gift somebody on the app. 3,070 naira for 14,000. Then they have discounts. This one you can use OPay, PalmPay, or your online bank. Are you seeing the amount on the screen? Then you also have coin seller. So if you want to buy from individual coin sellers, they have people that are selling, but I'll just advise that buy from this discounted one or Google. Now let's look at this dress, or I think we should do another video for that one. So if you want to withdraw your money, you are going to come here. So you can either exchange your beans or you withdraw. I want to withdraw my own. So you see my PalmPay is here. I'm using PalmPay, so I'm just going to put this here. Okay, you put the amount you want to withdraw and they'll send it. There's a 2% service charge. They'll send it to your account. So that's all that we need to know. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.